I use Adobe Media Encoder mainly to change codecs or to export image sequences as video files, but there are many other uses for it. And one use that I find particularly helpful is that I can use it to remove sound from a video. Sometimes I need my video sound to be gone, and this is the fastest way to do it, in my opinion. So here I'll play a video and you're going to hear some sound effects in the background. There's just ambient noise, birds, waves. Not too much, but I want it to be completely sound free. So in order to do this using Media Encoder, I have my video here. It's an MP4, and I'm going to drag and drop it into my queue in Media Encoder here. So now I have it in my queue, and what I want to do is select this first link, and it will take me to all my settings. And right here, I can see that there's an export audio option and it's checked off. In order to remove the sound from the export, I just unselect that. Perfect. Something I always do if my video is not horizontal format is match source. I always click that just in case to make sure it exports in vertical format. So I did that. Export audio, that's the most important thing when you want to remove audio. So make sure that's unselected. Hit OK, and then you just want to make sure your output file is going to the right place. So if I select that link, I'll see the place that it'll be exported to, and this is exactly where I want it. I just want to change the name here to Surfers No Sound. And that's it. Save, and now in order to begin the export, you'll see it's ready to go. I'm going to hit the play button on the top right-hand corner. And it was a very quick export, which is awesome. I'm going to open my file and see if the sound has been removed. Perfect. Totally quiet. So we can see how easy and fast that was. All you have to do is uncheck a box, basically. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out some of my other videos in all sorts of Adobe software, and I appreciate you watching.